Why do I look like someone's mom, right? Like,
I want my name to be a household product.
Mr. Dance, idiot.
Came out bustin', came out puffin', came out fucking on your cousin. I do all these bruises, worship, then they daddy, let you love her, you in trouble. I'm lieutenant, I'm gon' rob her to a sentence. That's your busy, it ain't shit. I went shopping, left it running, kept my hundreds, kept my hand. We watched cable in my auntie, cause my papa wasn't trapping, but my uncle was the second. Mr. Magic, Billy, Action, Mr. Magic, Billy, Action. Miss me with that local hit on the nigga, get it, track it. I'm not surprised, I'm on the ride, been a little ride, that is my eyes, spam it a lie, just hold it down. All I require, just hold it down. They gon' shit talk you and we on the ground. Nigga be hating with feet on the ground. Got the legit with the beat on the couch. Belt on the Gucci and beat on the mouth. Came out buzzin', 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 came out buzzin'.
hello guys, welcome and welcome back to another vlog for this week. As you can tell, I just got back from my, what do I call it? I had dinner with a friend. That's basically what it was. But yeah, guys, I just got home from having dinner with a friend. I'm very tired. I'm gonna go ahead and try to rush my little skincare routine and watch a scary movie and get ready for bed because it is Wednesday and there's only 2 more days of the week and I am ready for them to get them over with. You know what I mean? Just put this up in a little clip. But yeah, guys, I had fun. I haven't seen him in a while. It's a very good friend of mine. I haven't seen him in a while. And we just had dinner. I got yogurt. Well, I got yogurt because he said he was sleepy. So I was like, all right, cool. I'm going to the yogurt place. The yogurt place. Okay? You can go to sleep. I'm gonna go. So I went, and I'm glad I went because I was like, this is exactly what I needed, you know? But yeah, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and start my skincare routine. I've seen everybody. I'm not saying that like, you know, my influence is influencing, but everybody is on this product now, all right? All the little girlies on TikTok, all Instagram, everybody is like checking this product out. Even my brother, he's like, what's that product? I'm like, boy, it's for your face. It's a cleanser. But yeah, I'm not saying that it's because of me, but I'm going to say it's because of me. Because I didn't see nobody using this until I started using it. All right? And I know my influence, it'll be reaching, you know? I didn't want this. But yeah, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and just like bathe in this influencer vibes because I am an influencer. I'm a little delusional, but I'm gonna be real with myself and be like, y'all started using this product, La Roche-Posay. Y'all started using La Roche-Posay because of me. That's what I'm putting out in the world, and that's what it's gonna give, all right? But anyways, guys, I'll go ahead and see you guys tomorrow. And if you guys want to see my nighttime skincare routine, please make sure to comment down below. And I will provide it for you guys. But yeah, guys, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye. Hi guys, welcome. What day is it today? Yesterday was Wednesday, today's Thursday. See how I did that? But I am on my way. Well, my friend Christy is outside. We're gonna go ahead and do like something off of the Taco Bell menu. Like, I go vegan, I go off being vegan, and I'm like, give me everything, meat, everything, dairy. No, I'm just kidding. No, but we planned this like before, but yeah, I'm already late. She's already downstairs. I'll see you down there because I'm a little scatterbrained right now. So see you down there. Bye. Hey guys, we are in Publix on a mission for this. What are we eating? Guacamole, that's it. No, we're doing a Crunch Wrap Supreme. Look at all these little I love you ones. We're gonna say fuck Valentine's Day. What did you say? What did you just call me? Mexican. No, what are we getting?
Cheese.
We almost left without the meats. Don't play with it, don't play with it, don't play with it.
This is the part.
Oh, easy.
Easy.
Easy. We got it. We got it.
I'm ready. Don't forget your vegetables.
Hey guys, after that I didn't record anything. We just started chatting and just catching up and just vibing out and like just talking about life. But she just went home. I'm exhausted. I only had one of those Crunchwrap Supremes or whatever it's called, but literally put me in a food coma. I'm so tired. So I'm gonna go ahead and call it a night. I'm gonna watch an episode of You. Why not, right? So, oh, it just came out. That's why. Duh. I'm gonna watch the first episode of You and then call it a night, guys. All right. I will see you guys tomorrow. All right. Bye. Good morning, everyone. It is a Saturday. I am going to take my dog Max to the vet, just so they can check up on him. As you guys know, he's like been having a couple issues, so we're just trying to make sure everything is correct. But we're gonna go ahead and head that way because my appointment is in an hour, and I feel like it's like 30 minutes away. But yeah, guys, come along with us. We're gonna go see my friend Laura, and then just hang out for a bit. All right, guys. So let's get this party. Wait, what is it? Let's turn this party into the on position. All right, Max, you ready? You ready? Let's go. Let's go. Okay, guys, we are at the vet right now. We're just trying to see, well, he's getting checked out, vitals and everything. They put me in this room. I'm just waiting for him, waiting to see what they say. That's him barking. Look who's back, y'all. Hi, boo-boo. Oh, my little también. I'll update you guys a little later. Bye. Hey, guys. Ooh. Rude. So it's a few hours later. I literally went over to my friend Laura's house. I was very hungry, so we went to a restaurant. I had a burger, and that thing knocked me out. Literally got back to after the restaurant, got back to her house. We both like capped out. Like we were like done, comatose. But now I'm back. Max is here too. He's doing fine. They gave me some antibiotic for his paw, but they said that they gave me like 10 antibiotic pills, enough pills for 10 days to see how it's progressing. If it's like starting to get better, they'll give me some more. But that's good news. Like it's not anything serious. And also I didn't film vlog a lot because like it's like, you know, I haven't seen her in a while, and it's just like, I don't want like having the camera in people's faces, you know what I mean? I am going to shower, do my hair, and I'm gonna try those OLAPLEX products finally. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Let's go. Treat this hair, baby, because we want healthy hair and 2K23. Thank you, Daniela, for the little reference. I'm gonna go ahead and take a shower, do what I gotta do, and then we'll be right back to see how the OLAPLEX products are, all right? Wait, hold on, guys. If I seem a little down, is because first of all, I just woke up. Well, it's been like a couple hours now, but like, remember when I told you guys that caffeine has been very prevalent in my life and I need to cut back? I didn't have any caffeine today. Like I literally had a whole bottle of water with the electrolytes that you guys have seen me use. That's all I had, no caffeine whatsoever. And I literally felt my head hurts, like caffeine withdrawals to the max. So I think what I'm gonna do is cut, like I said, I need to cut back on the energy drink, and I think I'm gonna stick to like having one coffee in the morning, a pre-workout when I go to the gym, and then being that, you know, like just having that and gradually wean myself off. So let's go ahead and get this hair fixed, baby. Bye. Okay, guys, I am back. My hair is washed and my hair is washed. So these are the products that I have. I'm sure if you guys have been following my other vlogs, you guys know that I got the OLAPLEX number 3, and then the Olapex Numero Ocho. So I got these. I don't know how to put them on. I should have read this before. Damn, I fucked up. I messed up. So apparently I'm supposed to use this one, the number 3, before I shampoo and conditioner. Oh, I'm annoyed. Okay, so I guess we're not using this one. I guess we're gonna have to use it for another time, another wash day. I'm a little upset. Why didn't y'all tell me? Press the number 3 if you feel bad. Press the number 3 in the comments down below if you feel bad for not telling me. But yeah, guys, I have this one. Can you see it? Yeah. Number 3. Okay, number 8. We're gonna try this one. Apply to clean, damp hair mid. Okay, we can use this one. Okay, 2 pumps mid hair. Good. We're doing 1 pump. Ooh, 2 pumps. Okay. Just gonna apply through the midst of my hair. It doesn't smell that great. Ooh. Okay, whatever. It's gonna get rinsed off. So here. All right, I guess that's it. My hair should be glowing, shiny, shimmering, splendid. Excuse my farmer's tan. All right, guys, so I'm gonna leave this on for, I'm still upset about this thing. Number 3, pick number 3, my lord. All right, whatever. So I'm gonna leave it on for 10 minutes and then I will come back and then we can, I'm gonna go ahead and just do my hair. See you in a couple minutes. Okay, guys, I am back. And I actually did more than 10 minutes because I was like editing and then I just lost track of time. So I did a little more than 10 minutes. My hair does feel soft, like when I was like running through it. My hair does feel a little softer already. We're gonna wait until this gets a little dry, and then we're gonna start doing my hair, I guess, and see how it looks. See if it says what it really says. Moisturizes, smooths. Well, it does feel smooth. Adds body and shine. So we're just gonna see. All right, why do I look like someone's mom, right? Like, I just need a little coffee, like, have fun in school, you know? Let me stop. All right, guys, I'm gonna wait until it gets a little dry and then we're gonna come back for the next portion of this little hair thing. Okay, guys, my hair is a little damp right now, so that I'm gonna go ahead and start blowing it out and see what kind of results we get. I'm gonna spray it with some heat protectant. Okay, guys, the heat protectant is on. I'm just gonna section my hair and start blow drying it, or blowing it out. Yeah.
gon' get your baby back. See me in that dress and he felt like he almost tasted that. Num 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 num, eat it up. Go play, okay, 3, 2, 1. You know I'm the hottest, you ain't never gotta heat me up. I'm prison when I'm absent, speaking when I'm not there. Call them bitches scary cats, I call them Carol Baskins. Yada 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 yada.
Okay guys, this is the final product. Well, the final outcome. Look at this shine. And this is just my first time using the product. What do you guys think? I really like it. Like I said, it's just like the first time. But yeah, guys, I really like it. I'm gonna keep doing it. It says once a week, so I'm just gonna keep trying it. And then I'm also gonna use the OLAPLEX number 3. I'm gonna use both of them. I really like how it came out, and that's just with simple shampoo and the OLAPLEX. If you guys, I do have other products that I use. If you guys want a hair routine, I will provide that for you guys. But look. Stiff wear. Alright guys, I will go ahead and call it a night. Bye. Okay guys, I am finally done doing my hair. I really like how it came out. Like I said before, I'm gonna keep doing the OLAPLEX once a week and the OLAPLEX 8 and the number 3, and just see how my hair reacts to it. I also want to try that new one. They say it's a lot better than OLAPLEX. It's like K18, but it's pricey for like a little tiny bottle, but we'll see. When I started vlogging with at the vet, I started using the front camera, and I'm not used to that because I always use the back one. So I kept looking on the other side and I was like, oh damn, like I messed up. But you know what, I'm gonna see how it comes out in the edit. So if not, I'm gonna have to just try to focus my eyes on the other, on the screen, not the screen, on the lens, the front lens versus, like, you know what I mean. But yeah guys, thank you so much for watching. I will see you next week. Bye.